That was my dad's name too, Arnold. It's a very German name, Arnold is. Okay, this is one I put together, so everything should be here. This is the smallest. This is a 201. 321, yeah, 321. 201, we got 201, 321, 351. This is the way it's going to get done, the way I tell you. Tell you what, my way works. Be it wrong or right, it works. Oh, custom, who put the glasses on him?
Where did that come from?
You know why I do that?
Alignment?
Yeah, so it looks like it's in the middle. See, I just did a bigger one than this morning. You know, when I had to test the, one day I'm testing it, screw in fittings, right? But I got this hose with a hose clamp on it, on the barb fitting. One flew off of it one time when I was testing it. Dude, it squirted from that wall all the way through the dock door. That's how far these things push product. Just a solid line of water comes flying out of this thing. So this thing will really get it going on. That's how I set the snap ring. I can't push the seal down by hand and put the snap ring in, so you use any tube. I just happen to use a socket that's the right size for the shaft. And when it gets to the groove, it just snaps in. This kind of thing is for people that don't have arthritis. I can't make my fingers do what they're supposed to do. Very sore fingers. In fact, I just got a text message from my orthopedic. Hey, you got to come in and blah, blah, blah for this and that so we can look at your hands. He goes, you don't have any cartilage, but I can take all the pain away. But you had 27 shots per hand. Yeah, well, good for you. I'm not gonna be your guinea pig. And the first time I went to see him, he goes, what do you do for a living? He goes, wait a minute, let me guess. He goes, you're a mechanic, right? I go, how'd you guess that? He goes, almost all you guys that come in here are mechanics have hands like yours. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know? And that's that.